over there for first 2 days. Then we're gonna come back to the place. This area, you know?
It's Signasi's, it's a mountain area actually. It's a church, old church. So it's a cave like, very beautiful place. So I'm making the video and I'll show you how we go up. I'm going up, I will show you from now. Okay, now I'm in the top of a cave. You can see behind me. Look, it's a down, deep down. And I'm just standing, like you can see my feet. Oh, it's a deep, so be careful. It's very cold here, like temperature is 7 today, but the night was too cold. Oh my god, oh beautiful, oh my god. You can see behind, I can see whole city from this place and it's look amazing. Trust me, you guys, once you have to come to this place and visit it. It's a beautiful place. Okay, bye. Of the Segnaki, it's a temple, so I can show you a beautiful view of this area. Look, oh my god, these are the clouds and behind you can see me, these are the mountains of ice. Wow. And down there is a field. It's a beautiful place. Trust me. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, mashallah. We are in the middle of clouds and I can't explain you. Once again we are in a restaurant. It's a Georgian food, so it's a fried egg in a bread. So I'm gonna open and let's see. It's made up of all butter and it's a cheese inside. You can see it's the cheese and the egg. Yum. That's good. Okay guys, my next dish is taught fish in a foil. So let's open. Wow. Look guys, it's the juice juicy fish inside, and just wow, it's just foiled with lemons, and that's it, and some salt. Let me taste it.
It's very hot.
Wow, it's amazing. We are sitting in a bike. You can see we have a tour. This is a bike. It's our driver.
Yes, Georgian. Camera good.
Nice.
Very good camera.
Thank you.
Thank you. Shukran.
Shukran. There you go. Afwan.
Welcome.
Tell. Please. Tell me. Okay, he's he's telling us about some
Mountain
mountains.
Caucasus, go Russia.
Yeah, that's a Russian mountain.
Signari Lagodekhi go 50 kilometers stop 1-2 kilometers
This is Russia
stop hotel
mountains, you can
Azerbaijan
see.
Okay.
Armenia.
Right.
Yes. You down
That
big
side he's telling that is
Kakheti, nice.
Armenia.
Tahiti, the full
Yes,
city, yes.
You what are Alazani.
Okay.
Big Alazan. Reka.
Rika.
Yes.
£2 for swimming.
Yes, very good.
Icing.
55 kilometers Quareli wine tour. Krimarani. Very
Okay.
good. Nice. Yes.
It's today day 2 in Signadi. Today we are going to Tbilisi. Our stay is there for 3 days. So now we are in the cafe for some breakfast, some coffee. Their coffee is amazing, and they have some main course dishes that are excellent. So see you there in Tbilisi. You can see behind me, it's a dog. There are too much dogs here, but they don't say anyone. They're nice. So see you. Bye. Okay, let's go now.
अब हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
We are going to see some beautiful views. So we will catch you.
Perfect.
These mountains are from Russia. Hello everyone, we are in again restaurant. It's Mikala restaurant. It's a special dish from Georgia. It is made up of 3 mixed cheese. So let me taste for you, and then I will tell you how this tastes like. Oh wow, it's full of cheese, you know. This is made up of 3 special Georgian cheese, because in Georgia they use too much dairy products. Amazing friends, amazing.